Alright, April 13th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 2049, coming to you from West Ladysmith on the Barron, Maine, with a video lined up for you. Going to have an inbound sand empty of S707 here, with an EMD to lead it, as it was starting the journey from Eola, Illinois via BNSF, and is probably going to take her to Poskin. Like I said, we'll have an EMD in front for this pass. See who else is with it as we lean back and get him. Here we go. And Jiva running second. Here it is. .956 it is. That is decided to come back. And my next AC44 C6M 3318 is back. DPU at 340 several months back. 3318. Well, there she is on the S707. Last of the S707 is SEJX 1152. So, welcome back, 8956 and the 3318. massive S707. And the train device going. And moments later, after the S707 cleared the Superior Submain, the northbound wood tick of L563 just arrived. And it's none other than the 5416. So that'll do it for the S707. That'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. And I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.